Stepney's visit to Sir Topham Hatt's railway was coming to an end.
We shall miss you, Stepney. And Libby, if you want to, I would like you to be a permanent member of my railway. Would you like that?
Oh, yes, please, sir.
Very good, and here you shall stay.
Then Sir Topham Hatt turned to his engines.
My railway is very busy, and I am pleased with you lot, but you need help. A diesel is all that's available. Please do your best to avoid any, disturbances.
What does that mean? Whispered Duck.
That means this diesel is difficult,
Snapped James. And he was.
The diesel surveyed the shed. Not bad. I've seen worse. At least you're all clean.
Sonic, Geo, and the others glared.
It's not your fault, he went on, but you're all out of date, and you animals smell. Your controllers should get rid of you and get engines and robots like us. A fill of oil, a touch and a starter, and I'm off. But no bother, no waiting. They'll have to fuss around you for hours before you're ready, and take you animals to the zoo.
The engines, Sonic and Geo and the others were furious. The next day, they had an indignation meeting round the turntable.
Disgraceful,
said Gordon.
disgusting,
Said James.
despicable,
Finished Henry. Well, to say such things to us is to teach 'em a lesson we'll be wanting. Now how do we do it? Anyone got any ideas? But none of the engines didn't know. Their chance came sooner than they expected. The diesel was purring comfortably. An inspector watched the fitter making final adjustments. Suddenly, something tugged in the inspector's hat. The diesel was ready.
Look at me, Duck and Stepney, old bird. Now I'll show you something.
He rolled proudly towards his coaches. Then it happened.
Shaking and spluttering, the diesel stopped.
So, Inspector, how did the diesel go?
Well, not well. It's because he sucked my hat into his airing tank.
Oh, bother your hat.
Yeah, mate, the heavy train's due out.
You'll have to take it, Duck. Stepney, would you mind helping out, please?
Thank you, sir, cried Stepney. I'd like a good long run on my last day. The engines were soon ready.
Gordon will take over from halfway, so get the train there. Good luck.
Don't worry, smiled Stepney. We'll get there and be early too.
Now for a sprint, puffed Stepney. I'm ready when you are, replied Duck. Soon they were whizzing through Edward Station. And next they charged at Gordon's Hill beyond. They felt the drag of the heavy coaches here. It was hard work. At last they were running smoothly along the line toward the big station. Hello, you're early, said Gordon. That's one in the headlamp for old Diesel. James says he's sick as boiler sludge and sulking in the shed. Serves him right for saying we're out of date. And Gordon chortled away. Next day, everyone came to say goodbye to Stepney. Come back and see us soon, whistled the engines. And you are always welcome on my Bluebell Railway, too, replied Stepney. Then he puffed away. And what about Diesel? He'd slipped out while no one was looking. But he left two things behind: a rather nasty smell and a battered bowler hat. Jim